This is the maxxhaul, a trailer hitch lock. This is a dimple lock. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna try to rake it. I'm gonna use a Sparrow Z-bar, light tension. Okay, we're open. And just so you can see, reset it, and we got it open. Alright, so now, same Z-bar, go back in, put a little bit of tension on it. Try to get it so you can see it. And I'm going to use just one of the flags from the Sparrow's black flag kit. A little something out of 1, a little click out of 2, 3. Alright, so now of course I'm hung up on something, right? This is just a 4-pin lock that I'm just trying to go through and figure out which pin I'm caught up on, what's not set all the way. And I might have overset something. Yeah, I overset something. So I'm going to reset that. Going back in. Got 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're open. This thing, it just doesn't have a good feedback, so sometimes it's hard to tell when you're open, so you just gotta keep trying it. But as you can see, this came out. So it's got a dimple cord, it's got a 4-pin tumbler in there. It feels like it's made out of hardened steel all the way around. It's a bit thin, and you know, as these points here, depending on where you have it, are all weak points, I would think, you know, compared to like the Rhino USA, which is, oh geez. So the Rhino USA is thicker. It's a 5/8. It's all hardened solid steel, but the difference is get a turning tool in there, take a wave rake, I think I got the wrong tool for it. Alright, let's try this one. There we go. Put that in there. And I mean, just like that. So, and I know I said it in the last video, but this is gonna absolutely be my last word on these tow hitch locks. The Rhino is, you know, cut resistant, but has absolutely no protection whatsoever. in the lock. This has a dimple core in it, but it's not a hard dimple core to rake or pick, and that's a real thin piece of metal if you ask me. And if you can see there, it looks like the chrome's coming off of it. And then the Reese, it takes longer to pick, but only because you have to pick it 12 times or rake it 12 times. If you're going to buy something like a trailer or a camper and you're going to spend tens of thousands of dollars, spend the extra money on a good trailer lock, like a Pacific Lock Company, which is around 75 to 100, or a Proven Industries, which they range around 300. But from what I've seen, they're disc detainer locks, and it would take a special pick and skills to open that, compared to these things that you just buy off of Amazon. And I'm just saying, it might seem like a lot, but protecting your investment is what it really boils down to.